When it comes to installing doors in your home or business in Miami, it's essential to get the job done right. A door isn't just a functional element. It serves as a key part of your property's security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Unfortunately, many homeowners and business owners make common installation mistakes that can lead to costly repairs or replacements down the line. Understanding these mistakes and how to avoid them can ensure your doors are installed correctly, providing you with the security and style you deserve. Choosing the wrong door for the climate. One of the biggest mistakes people make in Miami is choosing a door that isn't suited to the local climate. Miami is known for its high humidity, intense summer heat, and occasional hurricanes. Selecting a door that's not designed to withstand these conditions can lead to warping, swelling, or cracking over time. How to avoid it? Opt for doors made from materials that can handle Miami's climate, such as fiberglass, steel, or storm-rated doors. These materials are resistant to moisture and extreme temperatures. Additionally, always choose doors with weather stripping and high-quality seals to prevent air and water leaks, which can compromise your energy efficiency. Incorrect sizing of the door opening. Another common mistake in door installation is not properly measuring the door opening. Whether the opening is too big, too small, or not square, it can cause the door to not fit properly, leading to gaps that can affect security and insulation. How to avoid it? Always ensure the door opening is measured accurately before purchasing your new door. It's important to measure the width, height, and depth of the frame, ensuring the door fits snugly but has enough room for proper expansion and contraction with changing temperatures. When in doubt, hire a professional to assess and measure the space before installation. Neglecting to check for proper alignment. A door that isn't properly aligned can stick, slam shut, or become difficult to open and close. Misalignment often occurs when the door frame is not level, or the hinges are installed incorrectly. This can be especially problematic in Miami, where doors may shift due to moisture or settling of the foundation. How to avoid it? Before securing the door in place, always check for alignment. Ensure the door swings easily and that it's level from top to bottom. Professional installers can adjust the hinges to guarantee proper alignment, which will help ensure the door opens and closes smoothly for years to come. Failing to install proper weatherproofing. Miami's tropical weather brings frequent rain, humidity, and high winds, making weatherproofing your doors a top priority. Many DIY installers or even some professionals forget to install proper weather stripping or caulking around the door frame, allowing water, air, and even pests to enter the home. How to avoid it? Be sure that weather stripping is installed around the entire door frame, and don't forget to check the threshold for gaps. Also, use high-quality caulking around the edges to seal any spaces between the door frame and the surrounding wall. This added layer of protection can help prevent costly damage from water infiltration. Overlooking the importance of security features. Security should always be a top priority when installing a door, but many people overlook crucial safety features, such as the strength of the lock, the type of hinges used, and the door material itself. In Miami, where break-ins are not uncommon, this oversight can leave your property vulnerable. How to avoid it? Make sure your door has a high-quality deadbolt lock, strong hinges, and security features that are appropriate for your home or business. Consider adding a peephole or smart door lock for added convenience and security. When installing exterior doors, opt for solid core doors that are resistant to forced entry. DIY installation without proper tools or knowledge. While DIY projects can be fun and rewarding, installing a door without the right tools or expertise can lead to significant issues. Whether it's damaging the door during installation, misaligning the frame, or not ensuring proper insulation, a poorly installed door can cost you more in the long run. How to avoid it? If you're not confident in your ability to install a door properly, it's best to hire a professional. Professional installers have the experience, tools, and knowledge to ensure the job is done right the first time. Investing in professional installation can save you money and headaches in the future. Forgetting to maintain the door. Once your door is installed, neglecting to maintain it can lead to premature wear and tear. In Miami, where the weather can be harsh, it's essential to check and maintain your doors regularly to keep them in optimal condition. How to avoid it? Regularly inspect your door for any signs of damage or wear. Clean and lubricate the hinges, check for leaks, and replace weather stripping when necessary. If you have a storm door, make sure it's in good working condition before hurricane season arrives. Conclusion: by avoiding these common door installation mistakes, you can ensure that your doors are properly installed, durable, and secure, providing long-term benefits for your home or business. Whether you're installing a new entry door, patio door, or interior door in Miami, taking the time to choose the right materials, measure accurately, and seek professional help when needed will help you avoid unnecessary problems down the road. Don't cut corners. Your doors play an important role in both the functionality and aesthetic of your property.